What if I told you that you can build a website for your business in just a few seconds? And that too just by using the smartphone in your hands. Yes, you don't need a computer or do any coding or web development. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a business website like this with just a few taps on your smartphone. Your site will have all the pages that you need for your business, like the products or services page, about page, and the contact page like these. Also, I'll show you how you can easily customize your site to any style you want. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. To create a business website, we are going to do 6 steps. The first step is to get a domain name for your website. This is the address or the URL that people will use to reach your website. For example, youtube.com or facebook.com. Similarly, you can choose the name you want and make it yours. Now, usually people choose .com domain names as they are very common, but since we are creating a business website, I recommend that you go for a .online domain. This domain is perfect for all online businesses and makes your site look professional. Also, online is a keyword that has high search volume, so your site will have more chances to rank on Google. So I'm going to go for the .online domain. To do that, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Here, enter the name for your website and then click search. As you can see, our domain name is available. Okay, to get this domain, click add to cart, then click proceed. And here you can see that we're getting our domain for just $1. So let's click place order. Here, enter the card details. Click submit payment. And you can see that we have successfully purchased the domain name. Once you've got the domain name, let's go to step 2, which is to install Canva on your phone. Now, Canva is the platform that we are going to use to create our business website. So to install Canva, just go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Canva. Simply tap on install and it will be installed on your mobile phone. Open it and sign in with your Google account. Now that we have installed Canva, let's move on to the third step, which is to choose a template for your business website. A template is a pre-made website design which we can choose and edit to create our site. So to choose a template, first select what you want to create. So let me scroll here. Since we are creating a website, let's select it. And here you'll find a lot of templates in different categories. Select the business category and you can see a list of templates for different types of websites. You can select the one you want. I'm going to select this one. As you can see, these are the pages available on this template. Just click apply and you can have a look at all the pages on your website. Okay, once you selected the template, let's move on to the fourth step, which is to edit the content in the template. Let's say you want to change the text on the site to suit your business. To change any text, just select it and type your content. And you can see this text is changed. In the same way, you can edit all the text on your site. Now if you click text, we have options to change the font styles, font size and other options. I'm going to change the font here. So you can go ahead and change it to however you want. Next, let's say you want to change this image. Just click on the image and click replace. And here you'll find a lot of stock images. You can choose any image from here or you can upload your own image. I'm going to search for resort. Choose this one and it will be added here. In the same way, you can add any image to your site. Okay, now let's say you want to change the text on this button and its position. It's easy. Just drag it and place it where you want. Then click on it and change the text on this button. If you want, you can change the font size like this. Now in the same way, you can change the content of the other pages to match your business. This is how you can edit the content on your website. Okay, next, let's say you want to add a new page to your site. How can you do that? So let's go to the fifth step, which is to add a new page to your website. Now to add a new page, there are 2 methods. The first method is to add a blank page and add all the content you want. The second method is to use a template. We'll see the first method, and to do that, just go here and click view all pages. And you can see all the pages on your site. To add a new page, click on this plus icon and you can see a new page has been added. This is the blank page and you'll have to add all the content by yourself. Say you want to add text, so click on text. Here, select the text styles you want and add your text. Now this will take a lot more time to build the page. Instead of that, if you want a fully customized page, you can go for the second method. Now the second way to add a page is by selecting a template and then changing the content. So to add a page using the templates, click Designs, open any website template, and you will find the page templates here. You can select the page you want and it will be added to our site. And like we did before, you can edit the content on this page, like the text and the image on this page. And your page will be ready. Okay, so this is how you can add a new page to your site. Now if you see here, we don't have names for all the pages. So to add a title, select the page, scroll here and click on Notes. Here enter the title for the page and close it. In the same way, add the title to all the other pages. Alright, now to make our site more engaging, we can add animations to the text and images. So next, let's see how to add animations to our website. To do that, just go to any page, click here, and you'll see this option called Animate. Just click on it, and you'll find different animations that you can add to this page. If you click on it, you can see how each animation looks like. Now you can select the one you like, and the animation will be applied. In the same way, you can add animations to all the pages on your site. Okay, once you're done with all the changes, let's check and see how it looks on our mobile phone. Just click on this icon, and there it is. Our site looks great and the animations are smoothly applied to all the pages. We can now move on to the final step, which is to publish your website. Once we publish our site, it will be live on the internet and anyone can access it. So to publish our website, click on this icon and click Publish Website. Now if you want to add a menu section to your site, like this, you can enable it here. Next, here you need to enter the domain name you want. Since we already have a domain name which we purchased in step 1, we can connect it here with the custom domain option. To use a custom domain, you need to have the Pro plan in Canva. You can check out the plans and get the one you want. Once you have the Pro plan, to connect the domain, just click Get a New Domain. Enter the domain name and click Continue. To connect our domain with the site, we need to update the DNS settings in our domain provider. So just click here and you will get these details. Now we need to add these details to our domain provider. So let's go back to our domain provider, click on Control Panel, go to Manage Orders, click here and click on the domain. Now scroll down and click Manage DNS. Here click Add a Record. Now you need to add these details from here. So first let's enter this one and then add this detail. Once you're done, click Add Record and click Record Added here. Then in the same way, add the next record. Click Add a Record. Then add these details. Click Add Record. Then click Record Added here. And next, we need to add a TXT record. So go to TXT Records. Click Add TXT Record. Then add these details. Click Add Record. Then click Record Added here. Once you're done adding all the records to your domain provider, click I have updated my DNS record and then click here. And there we go. We have successfully published our website. Click on View Website and you can see that our business website is now live on the internet and it has the .online domain name that we got. So that's it guys. This is how you can make a business website on mobile. And don't forget to check out these two tools that we've built to help your businesses. First is GravityWrite, an AI-powered writing assistant that generates high-quality content for all your business needs. And then we have WebSpace Kit, a web hosting platform that makes it simple to launch and build professional WordPress sites. So be sure to check them out using the links in the description below. Now, if you want to know how to create an e-commerce website, you can check out this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Website Learners. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.